Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsend or delete the Google messages on the app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. So here we are going to follow these articles and it will talk about a new feature that will be released on the Google Messages. And it is only on the test now, but it will be similar to the WhatsApp features like for the delete for everyone. If we go through this article, we will find that in a Reddit group, there was reporting that there is a delete for everyone option that will be showing on conversation in the Google Messages. And here, as you can see, you will be able to start holding tap your messages and then you can delete for everyone. But otherwise, or anyways, you will have this feature that is limited. That means even for some people like the redditor or the creator of this article isn't able to find these features. That means it is limited for now and it is just being tested by bunch or group of users and maybe within the time if you have the latest version of your Google Messages you will be able to find these options and make sure that you will have the latest option or the latest version of your app because messages may still be seen by others on older app version. That means it's only being uh, deleted for newer version app for conversation and that way it will be introduced to the Google Messages app, and also you will be able to start having a 15 minutes window to unsend your messages. Also, the RCS Universal Profile will introduce messages deletion support, which Google is likely leveraging to enable the feature. That means you will be able to delete your messages if you are using the RCS chat features on. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.